everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you all the syllabus for the GATE exam 2023, which is going to be held in the February month. So we'll be discussing about that what is the syllabus all about and which are the areas you need to actually focus upon. We have already discussed about the exam pattern in the previous lecture. If you haven't yet watched it, I'll put the links of the same in the description box. Check it out and you'll get to understand the pattern as well. Now, before starting the video, if you haven't yet downloaded our application, download it from the Google Play Store. It's completely free of cost and get enrolled in a number of courses running on Botany Insider. In addition, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider. Now, talking about that, this is all we have discussed, that the exam is CBT mode, and when we look into the sections of the examination, so we have two main sections. The first one is the general aptitude and the second one is the selected subjects. So let's discuss about that which are the main subjects that are there in the complete examination syllabus which is prescribed by the official authority. Let's look into the PDF itself and get to understand the same about it. So this is the syllabus for the complete GATE examination. We have majorly 5 sections, in which we have the first section as XLP, which is for the chemistry section and which is compulsory for all the students applying in the XL exam, that is for the life sciences examination, in which we have the section 1 as atomic structure and periodicity. Then we have the structure and the bonding. Unit number 3 or the section 3 as SP and D block elements. Fourth one is the chemical equilibria. Fifth is electrochemistry. Then we have reaction kinetics, thermodynamics, structure reactivity, then so on and so forth, and at last we have the chemistry of the biomolecules. You can go through it and you can analyze which are the topics you have to majorly focus upon. We'll be discussing about this particular section in the main manner, that is the XLP. So it is for the biochemistry. So XLQ is biochemistry, in which we have the section 1 where we have to analyze, or where we have to actually focus upon the proteins, nucleic acid, protein structures like the myoglobin, hemoglobin, etc. etc. Then we have unit number 2 of enzyme kinetics, its regulation, inhibition, all the topics of where we understand about the photosynthesis. In addition, we also have the topics of the respiration as well. So it is very important that we mainly focus upon the important topics. It is basically for the techniques where we have to go for the ion exchange, size exclusion and affinity chromatography, and again we have the electrophoresis, protein-protein interaction, so on and so forth. Unit 4 is majorly related to the cell biology. In addition, we also have the topic of hormones and the neurotransmitters. Unit number 5 is majorly for the molecular processes. Then unit 6 is majorly for the immunology. So these are the 6 units that we have to focus if we are focusing upon the XLQ, that is the biochemistry section. Then the next section is related to the botany, where we have to focus upon the lower botany as well. So first unit is regarding the plant systematics, in which we have to study about the botanical nomenclature, history of the plant anatomy, etc. etc. Next topic is related to the plant anatomy, where we have to go depth into how does a vascular bundle is formed, what is the secondary growth, how does it occur, the wood anatomy that we study at our BSc levels. Then the next topic is plant development, cell and the tissue morphogenesis. It is majorly the patterning, the spacing mechanism in the trichomas and also the stomatas. Then we have embryogenesis, organization and the function of the shoot and root apical meristems. In addition, we also have the plant hormones for the complete, we have to go through its signaling as well. If you look into the previous year question papers, you'll get to understand that signaling also plays an important role. Then we have physiology and biochemistry. Looking into it, we have the complete topic of apoplastic, symplastic transportation, biosynthesis, all the plant hormones like auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, so on and so forth. We also have the structure and the functions of the biomolecules like the proteins, carbohydrates, lipids. Then section 5 is related to the genetics and the genomics, where we go into the complete genomic area, understanding about linkage, recombination, genetic mapping, etc. Then we have plant breeding and genetic modifications. Understanding the same, we have to study or we have to focus upon CRE Loxp system, gene transfer methods like the agrobacterium mediated gene transformation. Then we have unit 7. Looking forward to it, we have the economic and the applied botany, majorly the theory portion. Then plant pathology, again most of it is theory portion with some of the mechanisms of pathogenesis, resistance, in which we study about R gene and etc. other formats. Last one is ecology and environment. Majorly we have to focus holistically upon the ecosystems, the strategy conservations, habitat restoration, plant interaction, so on and so forth. This was about the botany area. Then we have microbio, in which we have to go in depth of the historical perspective, methods of microbiology, taxonomy and diversity. Then we have prokaryotic cell and the structure, its structure and function, microbial metabolism, its diseases, all the host pathogen interactions. Last we have the chemotherapy, microbial genetics and the microbial ecology. So we have to dive in deep into, if you are like looking forward to attempt the microbiology area, right? Then last we have the zoology area, in which you have to understand about the animal anatomy, about immunology, deaf bio, ecology, animal behavior, so on and so forth. Last is food technology, where you have to understand about the food chemistry, nutrition, food microbiome, food products technology, how does the food get processed, what are the various areas, what are the various processes by which the method is completed. Then we have food engineering. So this was about the complete syllabus when we look into or when we are targeting our GATE examination in the XL subject. So the first topic, which is related to the chemistry, this particular section is compulsory for all the students. Each one of us have to like perform this particular topic. Then we have the topic of botany. Then we have the topic of biochemistry. Then the third one is the zoology. Then we have the topic of microbiome. And lastly, we have the topic of food technology. Now, out of these topics, we have to select 2 subjects. As we can see in the prescribed exam pattern, we have to select only 2 subjects for the complete paper attempting. The general aptitude is common for all, chemistry is common for all, and out of these 5 areas, we have to choose any 2 areas depending upon like whatever is your interest areas. So you have botany, biochemistry, zoology, microbiome, food tech. Choose the areas where you are comfortable, where you are confident enough, like yes, you can solve those questions, then go for it, so that you can actually attempt the questions, you can actually go for it, and you can score marks in order to qualify with a good rank and get into the colleges wherever you are targeting for. So this was about for this particular video. I just wanted to give you a quick update regarding the complete syllabus, regarding like how you have to choose the 2 subjects. Choose it according to your interest area, according to what you are comfortable in, then only go for that subject in the main examination. We have discussed all of these things in the previous lecture. You can go for it, understand that. So this was about for this particular video. Thank you for watching this video. Download our application from the Play Store. Just search Botany Insider and you'll be able to download the same. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Botany Insider so that you can keep supporting me from your end and we can continue this particular initiative of helping the students in the best manner possible. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.